K is for kite, L is for lamb. M is for moon, N is for net. O is for owl, P is for pet. Q is for queen, R is for rain. S is for sun, T is for train. U is for umbrella, V is for van, W is for whale, X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me. Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me.
Welcome to my channel Mini World Cartoons.
A for apple, A for ant, A for axe, A for aeroplane. B for ball, B for boy, B for banana, B for big. C for cat, C for camel, C for car, C for cake. D for dog, D for duck, D for doll, D for dolphin. E for egg, E for elephant, E for eyes, E for eagle. F for fan, F for fish, F for flower, F for frog. G for girl, G for grapes, G for goat, G for guitar. H for hen, H for horse, H for helicopter, H for house. I for ice, I for ice cream, I for ink, I for igloo. J for jug, J for juice, J for jeep, J for jam. K for kite, K for kangaroo, K for key, K for knife. L for ladder, L for leaf, L for lamb, L for lemon. M for mango, M for moon, M for monkey, M for mouse. N for nest, N for nurse, N for net, N for nose. O for ox, O for orange, O for owl, O for onion. P for parrot, P for potato, P for piano, P for pumpkin. Q for queen, Q for quilt, Q for quail, Q quill. R for rocket. R for rose. R for rain. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for star. S for snake. S for ship. T for tiger. T for tree. T for train. T for tap. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U for uncle. U for uniform. V for violin. V for vase. V for vulture. V for van. W for watch. W for watermelon. W for window. W for wave. X for X-ray. X for Xerox. X for X-ray machine. X for xylophone. Y for yarn. Y for yacht. Y for yo-yo. Y for yak. Z for zero. Z for zigzag. Z for zebra. Z for zip.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, D, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now let's take it a little faster. Are you ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel.
One. Let's count. One elephant. Two. Let's count. One, two. Two apples. Three. Let's count. One, two, three. Three ice cream. Four. Let's count. One, two, three, four. Four stars. Five. Let's count. One, two, three, four. Five. Five balloons. birds. 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cars. 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flowers. 9. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fishes. 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. 10 toys. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Good job, kids. Like and subscribe. 1. Let's spell it. O-N-E. 1. 2. Let's spell it. T-W-O. 2. 3. Let's spell it. T-H-R-E. 3. 4. Let's spell it. F-O-U-R. 4. 5. Let's spell it. F-I-V-E. 5. 6. Let's spell it. S-I-X. 6. 7. Let's spell it. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 8. Let's spell it. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 9. Let's spell it. N-I-N-E. 9. 10. Let's spell it. T-E-N. 10. Well done, kids. Now count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, kids. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.